Winter weather still ongoing across North Texas. First alert weather day still in effect for Thursday, and it's actually going to continue into Friday as well. As we look at the temperatures just after 1 a.m., you do notice Keller and Fort Worth now sitting at 27 degrees, Decatur at 25, Bridgeport at 24. We've got DFW Airport at 30, Dallas sitting at 31 degrees, and then we widen the view. So generally, to the west of I-35, we've got temperatures in the 20s. To the east of I-35, we're still sitting in the low to mid 30s right now. And that difference between the low 30s and the upper 20s is very important. Now, I do want to talk about what we're expecting for Thursday morning. We have seen really a significant ice event ongoing across portions of North Texas in the last several hours, and it's going to continue into Thursday morning as well. So everyone kind of highlighted in pink here. There have been some reports of a ½ inch to nearly an inch of ice accumulating on some of those exposed surfaces. So we're talking about tree limbs and on signs and poles as well. So what this is doing, especially with those tree limbs, is we're seeing those limbs weigh down and then eventually snapping, causing those power issues, those power outages that have been sporadic in the overnight hours. Now, to the west, we've got snow on top of a thin layer of ice, and then into tomorrow morning, I think the farther east you are, got a little bit of icing going on, kind of mixing in with some slush as well. But we look at high resolution radar after that 1 a.m. time frame, and you notice that we're not really seeing this freezing rain sleet area moving much. I do think that starts to change though as we get a little bit closer to 2, 3 a.m. and we kind of start to see that snow overtaking some of our western counties. So then we start to see this freezing rain sleet pushing to the east of I-35 here, 6 a.m. We've got that snow for the I-35 corridor right through Dallas and Tarrant counties. And then we continue to kind of see that snow moving farther to the east. And we're starting to see that clearing out west as well. But this is a major event continuing into tomorrow afternoon. Eventually, I think by 4 or 5 o'clock, we're kind of clearing out from the precip. We will have some sunshine into Friday, but it is going to be dangerously cold. And that is something very important to note as well, because we've got a first alert weather day issued for Friday as well. The latest data coming in has actually forced us to drop our temperature forecast into Friday, going with a low near 13 degrees. Wind chills still expected to be in the negatives to near 0 degrees. And then our high temperature forecast, note this, 31 degrees. It's going to be feeling like 12 to 20 degrees. We were never expecting it to feel like it was above freezing, but now we're not even anticipating that temperature getting above freezing, which means we could be hovering below freezing here in North Texas for maybe around 68 hours when all is said and done. So still not like February 2021 when we were below freezing for 139 hours, but still very significant for your Thursday and into Friday and Saturday morning as well. So first alert weather days, at least for Thursday and Friday. We'll watch as we get into Saturday, but please keep in mind that you're going to be dealing with icy roads through Saturday morning. By Saturday afternoon, hopefully a little bit of sunshine for temperatures to help to get into the mid 30s. But for now, not only are we dealing with this ice event, we've got very dangerous travel throughout your Thursday and then very dangerous cold for Thursday and into Friday as well.
This has been a CBS 11 News First Alert Weather Day Update.